For today's video, guys, we're gonna play parkour. Yeah. We're gonna play it. I'm good at parkour, you know? I'm good at parkour. I'm good. Oh, jump. I'm gonna pass this bacon. I'm gonna pass it. Oh, yeah. Oh, nahulog, guys. Nahulog. Jump. Advance ako mag-isip, guys. Advance. Jump. Oh, muntik na ako dun nahulog, guys. Oh, yeah. Lasers. OMG. Oh yeah. Let's go climb. Oh, I passed that bacon because it's not mobile. Nahulog ako. Uy, teleportation jutsu naman yung teleportation jutsu. Kadalawa tayo nakatitikipart. At saka, guys, advance back. I passed that bacon. Yes, sir. I passed that bacon. Parkour. Wala makakatalo sa akin. Hindi ako mamamatayan, guys. Tingnan nyo. Hindi ako mahuhulog yun. Tingnan nyo. Hindi ako kakainis. Talaga. Back to parkour again. So tired playing this game all day. I've been playing this game for 15 minutes. I know. 16. I've been playing this for 16 minutes because there's a part 2, okay? And the part 2 is only 9 minutes. Is it clear? Okay. Oh my god, parkour. Oh yeah. Jump over the. Oh, you beat section 1 and got 2 points. I got 2 points, guys. What the fuck? What is the kill effect? No. I think I'm not gonna play this game again. God. No. I'm gonna reset. Shit, that kill effect, I hate it. It's not like, what the fuck? Why did not spawn there? What? Let's go over to the hard training. I think it's super easy. Let me try. Oh yeah, it's super easy. If you go past, you're gonna fall. Oh yeah, slow. Oh yeah, it's very easy. Oh no, nahagbong. Wow, man, that is gonna cause a lot of health. What the hell? Oh, I almost died. Yeah. Parkour. Tolong. Naipit ako. Nahulog na naman. Ouch. Shit, stop it. Yes, sir. No. Don't tell me. Shit, nahulog ako. Ilang ulit na. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna win this. Okay. Jump over that. Jump. Oh yes. Oh yeah. I jump over it. Let's go. We win. We win. Easy, 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 easy. Let's go jump. Bye. Oh, I think super easy. Let's go over here so you can not be hard yourself. And let's try the OBF. It's easy. Yeah, super easy. No one can defeat me at parkour. Reset. I think we're gonna go back. Yeah, we're going back now. We're back, and let's do a parkour. Okay. It's so very hard. Yeah. Last video ko guys, si Gary Barry nilaro ko guys. Ito. Pinost ko yun sa TikTok. Oh yeah, pag mapatay ako yan, bigyan ko kayo ng like. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Damn, I almost got you. I almost give you a like, man. Almost gave you a like. Holy shit. Oh, the fuck, the kill effect. I don't hate it, but I very hate it. You know. Na-delete ko yung na-voice over ko kanina guys. Na-delete. Na. I'm gonna quit. Oh, I'm just too risky. Oh, let me song for you guys. Let me song for you. Past live ang paborito kong kanta guys. Ito. Past life, the life behold me between us. Down life is sweeter when it's finally found. Let's